on se retrouve pour l'épisode 8. On a vraiment galéré à capter que on pouvait appuyer sur le R3. J'ai failli craquer, j'ai failli aller regarder... Oula, je suis recherchée. J'ai failli aller regarder comment... comment on fait. Mais je me dis, tu peux pas jouer à Red Dead et ne pas découvrir les choses par toi-même. Bon. Moi, je veux... Alors, qu'est-ce que je veux? Est-ce que je suis? Où est-ce que je suis? Ah d'accord, on peut pas aller faire une mission tant qu'on est chopé à la police. Ok.
Yeah. Here. There we go.
Ok. Maintenant, on peut... Aussi Dutch van der Linde. Aussi... Javier Escuela. Vas-y. On va voir s'il y a des vêtements. Après, on part...
Yep.
Je me demandais, mais c'est vrai, je commençais à me demander, mais il ne pleut pas dans cette... c'est là, je suis surprise là. C'est la première fois que je vois la pluie dans ce jeu, je crois. Ou bien non. Au départ, c'était la neige. Je savais pas que c'était si loin. Ça me paraissait proche sur la carte. Je savais pas que c'était si loin.
Yeah.
Je commence à reconnaître quand il va chez lui. Il me semble que là, il est en train de partir chez lui. Ouais.
Calm down. Yeah.
C'est où les fringues? Pourquoi écrit
Are you okay, Miss Karen?
Sandy, how are you?
Well, hey, haven't killed me yet.
Mr. Morgan,
Non,
Mr. Morgan.
pitié.
Yes, Miss Grimshaw.
One of the girls saw that friend of yours Mary Gillis, sniffing about.
Mary?
Yes, I never liked that woman, Mr. Morgan. Funny business.
I'm sober. If that's what you mean. I've been on quite a tear.
Me and Mary Beth have been so worried about you.
You girls, you have beautiful hearts. Really, you do.
I don't know about that. But we care about you. You seem very sad.
My life took a turn for the worse when I took up with morphine and opium.
Watch out,
I
Bill.
was told it was
Hey, enough of that!
suffering, and in many ways, they were correct.
Bon, allez, c'est bon, ça m'a saoulé.
My previous suffering
On va faire n'importe quelle mission. Allez.
Dutch? Miss O'Shea?
Well, feels like we are finally getting back on our feet.
You, find a buyer for them bonds we stole?
Not yet, but Jose is working on it.
When we heading west?
Soon? I don't know.
Feels like things have changed. The whole world's changed. They don't want folk like us no more. We're being hunted.
We are smarter than them. Only the feeblest of men take jobs in the government.
I hope so.
Trust Dutch, Mr. Morgan. You have to.
They got Micah! Dutch! Arthur!
What's going on?
They got Micah. He's been arrested for murder. He was in Strawberry
It's okay, son. Breathe.
They nearly lynched me. They got Micah and the sheriffs in Strawberry. And there's talk of hanging him.
Here's open.
Arthur.
What? The fool brought this on himself. You know my feelings
Pourquoi j'ai
about
du
him,
mal à
Dutch.
me
I
mettre
can't see
dans
past
l'histoire?
his
Pas
bluster to the
possible,
heart
j'ai beaucoup de
inside.
mal.
He is a fine man.
No, I ain't saving that fool.
I can't go. My face will be all over West Elizabeth. I am asking. He would do it for you.
I don't think he would, but fine, all right.
Arthur.
You okay, Lenny?
Yeah, of course I'm okay.
You don't seem okay.
You take that kid into town. Valentine, not Strawberry. Get him drunk. And Arthur, no crazy business.
I've given that up.
And you get Micah out of that jail.
Come on, son. I'll get to it, Dutch. Just can't drop everything. Come on, girl.
I rode as fast as I could, didn't stop for nothing.
Yeah, you look like you've been through it.
I'm beat.
En
We
fait, j'ai
finally
un
get
gros
off that
problème, je
mountain,
vois
then
pas
this.
mon...
Micah's got a crazy side off.
What were you boys
En fait, il y a
doing?
trop de contraste.
You're supposed to be scouting ahead for it.
I kept
Yeah,
asking him what we was
contrast,
doing, but he
yeah.
was, "You worry too much, kid. Just some business to attend to, kid. You know how he is."
Sur l'ordi, je vois
Yes,
que c'est un
I
petit peu
do.
clair, mais sur la
He was
télé,
half
bizarrement,
soaked
je vois
before we
rien.
even got there. Then we ran into some fellas. One of them Micah knew, drank some more. And this is supposed to be a dry town we're in, too.
Then he shoots one of them. I know how that goes.
Couldn't even tell you quite how. Happened like the strike of a match. The law was on us fast, too. They was ready to strangle me up there and then. But I got away, just about.
You're all right now. We'll take care of it.
So you gonna go get him? I'll come with you.
No, you leave it to me. For now, let's drink some. Forget about Micah.
It was drink that started all this.
We'll just have a couple. Settle you down, then head back, okay?
Okay.
Now, I should warn you. Me and a couple of the other boys, we got in a bit of a fight last time we was here. Here we are.
Just one or two, right, Arthur?
Of course, just a drink. No big drama. Can we get a couple beers, please?
I don't want no trouble.
You'll get none from me. I was defending myself.
Tommy, he's...
He'll be fine. Here, have one for yourself.
Thank you.
Micah seemed to know a lot of people. That was the problem.
How you mean?
I mean, I done seen a lot of crazy stuff, but Micah...
A lot of crazy stuff.
Will you shut up?
Will you shut up?
Be quiet, buddy.
Oh, they're dullards. My lord. You men is dull.
Hey, leave this fool alone.
Leave the fool alone. People been leaving me alone for the last 10 years. I'm bored with being left alone.
Listen, buddy. You're a charming fellow. One of the best. But me and the kid here, we're trying to talk business, so could you possibly leave us alone? No offense intended.
Ain't no pleasing some folk. Just trying to be friendly.
Oh. Well. That's great, partner. Lenny, where are you? Hey, Lenny! Lenny! Lenny? Lenny, where are you? What are you doing, kid?
Hello, Arthur. You know what? I don't know. Why ain't you never married?
Gonna have me. That's the thing, you see, because it... Lenny? Lenny! Get away from me! Now! Lenny! Slippery little shit, ain't you? Come on! Get down from there! Come here! Leave the kid alone, you goddamn animals!
Who do you think you're talking to?
Nobody. I'm talking to nobody.
What did you say?
What?
I said, what did you say?
Get lost, buddy.
Shut up, mister! Yeah, shut your mouth, mister.
MDR. Oh, ça c'est le gars là, comment il s'appelle? Kenny West. Bon, allez. Ah, c'est peut-être lui.
Lenny!
What? I ain't Lenny.
Attends, il peut être où Lenny? C'est peut-être une fille Lenny, non?
Damn it, Lenny, stop slumping off on me!
Do I look like a Lenny
Ok.
to you?
Moi je suis sûre Lenny c'est une fille. Ah! Laisse Lenny. Ah! Et... Attends, il a jeté sur la...
You're a good friend to me, Arthur.
Il l'a jeté sur la gauche et lui la main sur la droite.
Cheers. Not you again?
Non, je suis pas noyé. Cette séquence elle fait très film, elle fait très cinéma, on dirait pas du jeu vidéo là.
Stop right now, you drunken fool! I said stop!
Oh non, j'ai pas vu.
You alive? Arthur! You alive, Arthur?
Oula.
Well, what did we do?
I don't know.
Oh, me neither.
You pair degenerates. There's a fine for drunken violence in this town. You're just lucky no one was killed.
Hey, we didn't start a thing.
Yes, you did.
Well, I don't remember.
Either you fools got any money? It's $10 and you're free to walk.
Sure.
Now, get out of here. I don't want to see either of you around here no more.
So, that was a quiet drink?
First one was pretty quiet.
Yeah, the first one was pretty quiet.
At least it took your mind off goddamn Mikey.
Well, that's certainly true. I gotta get out of here.
I'm just gonna have a little sit down and feel sorry for myself.
Une soirée tranquille. Oula. Vous avez vu ce qui s'est passé là-bas? C'est quoi ce truc?
Welcome, sir. You new patient? I only keep select items on the
Je comprends pas
shelves.
pourquoi je suis rentré
Gum
là.
and candies behind the shelf. I hope you change your mind.
C'est toi qui as sauté du toit là? Bah allez. On va aller... Normalement il me semble qu'au saloon on peut...
Well, Hey, move!
Easy done.
Hey, you chucklehead or something? How about this? Already, you're in enjoying watching you sweat over this.
Oh là là, comment on entre
You know this ain't taking me.
What, first time in Smithfields?
All right, I'll place you.
Yeah, sure.
Hello again. Not having regrets so soon, I hope. I'll have you neatened up in no time.
On va voir ça de près. Ok. Pommade? Oui, on achète.
Looking mighty fine.
Raie à gauche. Ah, ça c'est bien ça. Raie à gauche, dégradé. Ça c'est bien, il est bien coiffé là.
Way my luck's been running, I'm starting to think this Valentine curse might be real.
Raie au milieu. Bon, ça c'est comme tout à l'heure, c'est pas vraiment... Raie au milieu dégradé. Raie à droite. Raie à droite dégradé.
Had a man come in yesterday, say he wanted a mustache just like mine.
Allez, en
Did my
arrière.
best, but you can only work with what you're given, if you take my meaning.
On dirait Arnold Schwarzenegger. Allez, en arrière dégradé. Ah, c'est pas mal. Rasé de près. Pas
Everything
mal.
all right?
Pas mal rasé de près.
Thank you. Looks
Chauve.
okay.
Chauve aussi, c'est pas mal, j'aime bien.
Work this good, I ought to up my prices.
Bah, pourquoi ça n'affiche pas? Attends.
Gentleman the other week had such filth in his hair as I'd never seen. Had to wash my hands in vinegar afterwards.
Attends, là, il y a un petit souci, là. Attends. C'est une blague? Attends, c'est pas ce que je crois. C'est pas ce que je crois. Non. Ne me dites pas que c'est ce que je crois. Ne me dites pas
What's up front's just as
que
important
c'est
as
ce que
what's
je
on
crois.
top.
Là, en fait, je vais devoir attendre que les cheveux poussent. Mais non! Oh non! Oh là, ils m'ont eu. Oh là. Je m'y attendais pas. Ah ouais. La Gigi. La Gigi. Ah ouais? Pas de souci. Non, là, ils m'ont eu. Non, là, ils m'ont vraiment eu. Ah, mes cheveux sont trop courts. Mais la blague. Mais la blague. Oh, mais je suis choquée. Je m'attendais pas à ça.
Bar's right over there if you need a drink.
Ah, je m'attendais mais pas du tout à ça. Mais pas du tout. Vraiment, là, moi, c'est ce que je voulais. Être surprise. Pas mal, pas mal. Style complet. Moustache. Mais maintenant, j'ose plus. J'ose plus rien faire. Favori. Rasé. Fourchu.
Look, don't worry. You made a good choice.
Anglaise. Ah, vos poils sont trop courts, on peut pas. Ouais, ok, même là aussi. Barbe. Non, c'est intéressant, c'est intéressant. Ok, ok, pas de souci. Où est-ce que...
If you're
Ok,
trying to
ok.
impress a little someone, this
C'est
here is
réaliste,
good
on peut
first
dire que
step.
c'est réaliste.
Thank you.
Là, pour le coup, j'aimerais bien aller au niveau des vêtements. Barbier, boucher, bureau de poste, agence, hôtel, magasin, médecin. Magasin peut-être, non? Ah là 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 là. Non, non, c'est bien. Bon, en même temps, c'est logique, tu peux pas rentrer dans un...
Please, prove we ain't a land of savages. Prove we're here for each other.
I do wish you would give me some space to breathe.
What have folk done to rile you up like
Oh là
this?
là, fous-moi la paix.
That's all then. Back for some more provisions? To hell with this. Have a look around.
C'est ici que je suis censé acheter des...
Some of the fellers who play poker down at Flat Neck Station said they had some clergyman in. Drunk out of his mind.
Feuilleter le catalogue. On prend des vêtements. Munitions, provisions, fortifiants, chasse et pêche. Ah, tenue, gilet, chemise. Manteau. Ah ben voilà. C'est juste ça qu'il devrait faire, c'est tout. Non, c'est moche. Y a pas une veste de smoking, je sais pas moi. Un bomber. Tous les pantalons ordinaires, c'est ça? Non, pas du tout. Bon, du coup, il va falloir habiller... Bah, si. Je veux voir les couleurs, moi. Tac, tac, tac. Ça, c'est ce que j'ai. Ok. C'est du rose. Vas-y. Et Moi, je veux voir une veste. Pas de manteau. Bon, ça suffit. Allez.
Ain't no other outfit beats their prices. All right,
Allez, je vais
have a
où,
think
là?
about it.
C'est bon?
Thank you.
C'est bon ou pas?
Forgive me. Watch
Non.
it.
Joli crâne. Est-ce que je peux, s'il vous plaît, juste lui enlever sa veste? Comment je fais pour lui enlever juste sa veste? Pitié. Parce que moi, je pensais qu'il allait plus avoir ça.
Now, let's have a look.
Ah, le gars est accro aux vêtements. Aïe, aïe, aïe. On enlève juste là, s'il vous plaît.
That's mighty popular these days.
Ah, je peux pas l'enlever. Non. Non, je peux pas l'enlever. Oh non, je peux pas l'enlever. Bon, c'est pas grave.
Well, it's always here if you want to take another look.
J'aurais essayé.
Thanks, mister. Out of the damn
Oh.
way.
Yeah! You damn fool! How the hell are you following me? You alright? How's that siding looking?
Son cheval est où?
That's good. You and me again, girl. What's your problem?
C'est un peu lent quand même. J'espère que GTA sera pas lent comme ça. Hein. C'est lent, c'est lent. Faut vraiment avoir le cardio, quoi. Déjà que t'es à cheval. Votre cheval, attends, quoi? Votre cheval est sale. Quoi? Pourquoi? Oh! Attends. Mais j'ai pas d'arme. Mais j'ai pas d'arme. Mais pourquoi on veut me tuer? Mais pourquoi? Pourquoi j'ai pas d'armes? Je comprends pas. Non mais là je suis choquée, je comprends pas en fait. Il se passe quoi? Mais comment? Mais comment je fais? Mais c'est trop bizarre. Attends, mais moi j'avais fait mes courses, j'étais bien habillée, j'étais propre. Où est mon cheval? Mon cheval, non, faut pas que je sois visible. Non. Les gars, je comprends pas ce qui se passe. Je veux bien ne pas être... Oh oh. Je veux bien... Comment on fait pour frapper un gars qui est sur... Mais non! Mais non! Mais qu'est-ce qu'ils veulent? Mais qu'est-ce qu'ils veulent? Et pourquoi j'ai pas d'armes? Mais pourquoi je n'ai pas d'armes? Quelqu'un m'explique? C'est quoi ça? Est-ce que quelqu'un peut m'expliquer? Mais c'est pas possible. Non mais... Oh! Non mais je comprends pas. Mais je comprends pas ce qui s'est passé. Pourquoi je suis mort? Mais il s'est passé quoi? Mais pourquoi? J'ai fait quoi? Non mais là non, excusez-moi, mais là je comprends pas. Je n'avais plus d'armes. Non seulement je n'avais plus d'armes. Non mais là j'ai jamais vu ça. Hein. Waouh! C'est normal que je crève. Il était encore jamais mort. Hein. Est-ce que quelqu'un peut m'expliquer pourquoi je n'avais pas d'armes? C'est ça que j'ai pas compris en fait. Parce que là, je les aurais vraiment démontés en fait. Là, je les aurais vraiment démontés.
interesting way of putting it, Seamus.
No doubt. I do interesting very well. It's trusting I don't do so well.
Please. Arthur, this is Seamus. He's our new partner.
I ain't no such thing.
Prospective new partner, if he likes us.
Liking ain't the problem. Trusting is, as I said. Keep your voices down. I don't want my boss hearing. This is a sideline.
Of course. Look at us. Honest as the day is long.
Exactly.
I'll tell you what. Let us prove ourselves.
Prove ourselves? To this clown? What you talking about?
Good day, Hosea. Good luck with your business dealings.
Listen, he's rough and ready and quick with his tongue, but I swear you can trust him and trust me.
I'm an old man.
You're not old, Seamus.
I'm old enough. And you know I ain't dead.
You don't trust idiots.
Exactly.
We're not idiots. Let us prove it to you.
Okay. I'll tell you what.
Arthur.
Old Bob Crawford and his boys just bought a beautiful stolen stagecoach from upstate. It's in their barn. Now you go get that, and then we can work together.
Who's old Bob Crawford?
An acquaintance of mine.
So you want us to take out your competition?
Well, he's not just an acquaintance, but a cousin. By marriage. I also want to see if you boys got what it takes. Now, you survive that.
Where is he?
He's in a farmhouse just northwest of here called Carmody Dell. That's just up the train tracks as you're heading up towards Fort Wallace. There's also some money in that house, but that's your business, not mine. But don't kill nobody. Folks know we ain't intimate no more, and they'll know it was me.
But you're fine with us robbing your cousin?
By marriage. And yes, I'd love it.
You heard the man. Let's go rob his cousin.
By marriage.
Really?
Really. Lead the way. He said the place is just northwest of here.
Me?
The other one who's been out gallivanting around here.
That's what you call it. Clearly you've recovered from your bear encounter.
Could have played that better, couldn't you?
Thought you wanted me here to show some strong arm. That's usually how it goes.
Yes, but you know how this works.
Come on, Hosea. That feller's a joke.
And that's why he's perfect.
Oh, mais je vois pas, mais je vais... Oh là là, c'est pas possible. Alors là, comme par hasard, les armes sont à nouveau là. Et elles étaient où? Elles étaient où? S'il te plaît, relève-toi là. Attends, déjà je vais descendre. Les armes du cheval. Armes rangées sur le cheval. Inventaire du cheval. Armes rangées sur le cheval.
So, you want to get us caught?
I guess you're right.
Come on, it's not like he's asking us to rob a bank. If the two of us can't steal a stagecoach from Seamus's old crooked cousin by marriage, we should hang up our hats now.
Look where you're going.
Look out!
Arthur.
So what's the story with that Emerald Ranch? You find out anything else?
Hey, let's keep it down now. We must be close. That must be the place up ahead. We should go on foot from here. Let's see what we're dealing with. Come on. There's the house. I see the barn in the back. Stagecoach has to be in there. Okay, let's take a quick look at the place.
Anyone around?
Yes. Okay. I reckon we can do it now. I'll head over, distract him by putting on a little show while you sneak into the house, find what you can, then get the stagecoach. Or wait until nightfall. Sneak in, then I'll get the coach. You can try the house. What do you think?
Bonjour.
Let's do it now.
Sure. All right, then. Don't follow me. Wait until I have been distracted outside, then sneak into the house.
Il est où Bon, mais prends tout ton temps, hein, Orsi. Vas-y, hein, crâne, hein. Qu'est-ce qu'il fait? Oh, ce fou.
My good man! My good young man. Fare thee well, fare thee well.
Comme il est
Is your father home, son?
total volé.
Get him down here. Please, get him down here.
Il faudrait cambrioler $45.
I was lost for many years. I was lost many
Ah
years.
ok, là je suis en train de faire diversion, c'est ça?
Here he is. Are you the father of the house? Sure. Pleasure to meet you. I was just here a bit.
You selling something, partner?
I'm not selling, sir. I'm giving it away. I was just telling, Junior, what's your name, son?
Robert Crawford III, sir.
Oh, pleasure to meet you. Both of you, sir. My name is... Now, don't tell no one, because in New York, I'm kind of famous. I once performed on Broadway.
Who are you? Junior, we're being tricked. Shoot this bastard.
You want to come at me?
Je savais que ça allait être encore un échec.
You're goddamn dead!
I told you to stay hidden, Arthur. Let's get the stagecoach. We need to leave now.
Mais c'est bon. Total. Ah d'accord, donc ce que je trouve sur lui, ça compte pas. C'est quoi ça? Total volé 1,83. Oui, c'est quand même fastoche, hein. Bon, je peux pas passer par là, ok. On va passer par les escaliers. Ok, ok, ok. D'accord. Mais non, je veux pas le prendre. Oh là là. Oh là là. Il y a un truc qui brille là. Qu'est-ce que c'est? Ah. Ah ok. Il n'y a pas moyen que... Mais... Oh là là. Purée. Mais je peux pas prendre... Oh, et laisser... Enfin... Oh non, pas lui encore. Mais non, mais non, mais je veux pas le prendre. C'est pas possible. Oh là là.
Get on, Arthur. We don't have time to mess around here. Come on, let's get out of here before the law shows up. Shit, there's a man coming. Just play it cool. What are you doing? Hey, take it easy. Just play it cool.
Take
You
it
might not know
easy.
the situation here. Take it easy, Arthur. I think we should be okay now. We're far enough away. We could have done this without killing anyone.
It worked out. We got everything we needed.
Slow it down a bit. That's not the point. It might not have... What if there were more people around we didn't know about?
Could have dealt with them too.
All right. Fine, it's done now. Let's just get back to Emerald Ranch and turn this in. You're gonna crash if you don't slow down. So what were you able to lift from the house?
A few bits and pieces. Nothing too fancy.
Well, we need anything we can get right now.
This was easier than hunting a 1,000-pound grizzly anyway.
No doubt. I won't forget that in a hurry.
I'm looking forward to your retelling of that one around the campfire.
Okay, here we are. Just pull the coach into the barn there. Slow down, you'll burn out the horses. Hello, Seamus. We met your cousins.
Quoi?
How was it? Fine. Nice people.
Park that thing in here. Quickly.
Ah ok. Moi j'ai un gros problème, je vois rien. Mais recule, mais non. Mais qu'est-ce qu'il fait? C'est pas possible. Ce n'est pas possible. Il peut pas reculer. Mais je rêve ou comment ça se passe là? C'est pas possible. Comment ça se fait qu'on puisse pas reculer? C'est pas normal. C'est quand même la base. Purée, on peut même pas reculer dans ce jeu.
It was mostly Arthur. Like I said, coarse but competent.
Here.
Thank you.
If you find any other coaches that need selling, I'll see what I can offer you for them. But discreet, you know.
Of course.
Goodbye, gentlemen.
I'm heading back to camp,
Tu
I
te
think. You
retrouves
coming?
sans armes, sans raison.
Sure.
Je sais même pas ce que j'ai accepté. J'ai juste accepté. De toute façon, je verrai quand je vais poster la vidéo sur YouTube, je verrai en fait ce que j'ai accepté. Last few words. Oh mon dieu. Remove the space. What the fuck? J'ai bien envie de lui foncer dedans. Bon, on va s'arrêter là pour l'épisode 8.